Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 2274000. This is made by Umarex. It's a Beretta 92 spring 15 round airsoft pistol. I'm going to open this box up that's pre-packaged so you can get a good visual of the gun before ordering. It comes with 400 plastic BBs. In the back here it does come with your owner's manual. Give you a good visual of the pistol here. It does come with the safety right here to drop the clip if you just push down like so. There we go again. And again, this is your Umarex Beretta 92 airsoft pistol.